So we got this crazy WRX. It's all pink, super satin pink wrap. Things looking crispy. We're slapping some gold heart-shaped tips on there. It's gonna be pretty pimp. She's going to an all pink car show. 300 plus cars in desert land. This is in Orlando. So I never heard of anything like that. I mean, sounds pretty cool. A whole flock of pink cars. I mean, Pepto-Bismol everywhere, guys. So she came through real quick, slapped some tips on there, do her exhaust. We're doing a quick Muffy D on this thing, and then slapping these gold heart-shaped tips on the back. They fit like a glove. Let me show you. I would do something like that. Like a little bit out, but not too far out.
Yeah, not too far out.
Yeah, that's cool. I could go more in, but it would be a little bit lower. Like if I did it here, it's like flush. It's like tucked in.
Yeah, flush is fine.
This looks good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So this WRX has a crazy amount of upgrades. I'm talking about everything from a carbon grille to a full lip kit, underglow, downpipe, air intake, turbo inlet pipe, you name it. I'm gonna put up a list on the video so you guys should see it. It's crazy. It's literally maybe $30,000 worth of stuff, guys. So you guys can see the cosmetic stuff, but there's a ton of stuff in the engine that's absolutely outrageous. You name it, like I said, it's on there. You can't build a Subaru more than this. So we're gonna pop the hood when it comes down, show you guys some of the turbo upgrades, and this thing should sound pretty sick. It's a full straight pipe 3-inch. It's got a downpipe, access port for the tune. Shout out to Cobb. And we're slapping a Muffy D on there, so it's gonna sound beast. So as you can see, all pink everywhere. You got the, I guess, safety handle for the passenger, or just for a boyfriend. Carbon fiber steering wheel, pretty pimp. This thing's nice. I like this thing. Not my favorite color, but it works. You got carbon fiber phone holder. I mean, pink phone holder, pink, you know, miscellaneous, which y'all know about miscellaneous. And then you got this shift knob that looks like a you-know-what. You know, I ain't gonna say nothing else about that. And then you got carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Pretty much, you know, where there could be carbon fiber, there is carbon fiber. So there's a helmet in the back with carbon fiber in the back. It's pretty sick. You see that, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty pimp. So yeah, I mean, car's awesome. Fully pinked Subaru. Even the stitching on the seats are pink, guys. It's nuts. That's pretty cool.
Is it pink or red?
It might be red, but it's pink. I would call it pink. Whatever. But Subaru's all done. Got the heart-shaped tips. Let me show you these things. They look sick in the sun. Yeah, boy. Got the pink hearts on that thing. You remember like in Legend of Zelda, you got a couple of these for your lives, you know? Looks cool. Gold hearts. We do that at G Exhaust. So if you guys are interested in some gold hearts on your pink Subaru, reach out, comment. If you like it, thumbs up, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. G Exhaust. David G Exhaust, Oakland Park, G Exhaust, GExhaust.com.